My service. Okay, we're on our way, thank you.
It was a Monday night and it was a staff do. Obviously I had a few drinks and probably had way too much to drink. Got home and being hungry, obviously started to put something on to have something to eat. Come back in the other room, obviously sat down at that point and put the computer on, looked at Facebook, looked at my emails, got distracted, fell asleep. Next thing I know is I've been woken up by a lot of shouting, obviously woke up to a lot of smoke. Made my way to the kitchen, opened the door to a lot of heat, grabbed the fire extinguisher, let the fire extinguisher go. Next thing I know, I'm being grabbed by a fireman and pulled out to an ambulance. None of it very pleasant. 14 hours in hospital under observation to come home to, well, a wreck and everything just been turned upside down. It's not something I'd like to go through again.